Hi guys, welcome to this additional in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, January the 26th, 2021. We have here in this additional Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Also a tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. I've mentioned earlier or yesterday or the days before. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And those Sudokus are Sudoku with 3 stars I will solve, with 4 stars I will solve 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Alright. And the first Sudoku is a 3 stars Sudoku. This will be a number 2224. Alright, 2224. And I have already counted the numbers. The 3 stars always has 25 printed digits, and it's amazing that the publisher has now corrected the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, because it's been a while that all the puzzles has 25 printed digits, but lately he has changed his mind, and the 2 stars has now 26, the 1 star 27 printed digits, and the 4 stars, this one, 4 stars has 24 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan this whole Sudoku, and I see here 4 numbers in a row. In the middle row, one of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only place for a 3 should be there. Huh? And then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 4 numbers in the second row? 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this big square, so no 7 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 7 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes, and I cannot fill this yet, so let me mark those 2 boxes. That means those 2 boxes in the second row are the numbers 4 and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 3, 8, 8. Okay. And now, let me see. How about these 4 numbers in the middle column? 2 of those missing numbers in the middle column are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. That means the other 2 numbers in the middle column should be 1, 2. The 3 is missing, And the 7 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and an 8 in this row, so no 5 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those 2 numbers are the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Let me see. 1, 1, 2, 6. Alright. How about Okay. Let me scan this. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 9, that means those 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 7, 5, and the 3 are missing. Alright, so we have a 3 here or 3 there. 375, 375. That means those 2 boxes, 375. These 2 boxes are the 1 and the 8. 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. We see here 3 and a 4. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left should be the 1. Alright, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And 6 is missing. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row, the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 7, 7. 9, 9. Okay. I need pairs. Yes. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for an 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. How about those 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 is missing in this big square. The 9 is missing in this big square. And the 2 is missing in this big square. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 4. So now we have 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 7. So 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then. How about 4 and 3, 4 and 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. We see an 8, 8, 8. And the 9 is missing. We have a pair, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So in this column, the column with 3, the 8 and the 9 should be here as a pair. With 8 and a 9 here, so this can be an 8 and a 9. So one box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then now we have 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in the last column. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore, this should be a 9. Alright. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 4. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this. No. 8 and the 9 are left. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Okay. Then how about those 2 numbers in the second column? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. Yes, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku in this additional. It will be a 4 stars, yes, with 24 printed digits. So see you later. Bye bye for now.